So I decided to learn 3D development in Godot 4.
I'm in danger!
Over the last week, I've been putting time aside to learn every aspect of 3D development, going from this new dimension that seems to only exist to cause nothing but pain, all the way to making a cube not look like a cube, and then animating it to act like a cube. What is this? What is all of this? Different perspectives and animations and rigs. And all of this just gets the gun to sway. You know, everything is actually just a cube. No, seriously, you may think it, other things exist, like the mythical cylinder. No, that's really just a beveled cube. How about cone? No, that's still just a beveled cube with some scaling applied. After that mind-blowing realization, I got to animating, and boy was I unprepared. There is one button, one tiny, insignificant little button. If you don't press this tiny button, and then you go about life thinking everything is amazing, and finally, after hours and hours, finish off your animation, close Blender after importing your assets, you very, very quickly realize nothing is amazing. Those animations only happened in a different reality, and you are not part of that reality.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Why? Because that one button handles the saving of your animations. Best part is, in every video I came across, they all said the same thing. I have no idea why it works the way it does, but it does. So I just accepted it, I moved on, and got back into Godot. I got a player state machine set up, camera state machine set up, all of the states they needed, and started working on a building system. It went amazingly well until I looked at the debug monitors and realized something quite spooky, which is, quite fitting because it was Halloween. Somewhere, somehow, when my game entered the building state, I had one line of code that was instantiating and spawning around 60 nodes per second. That was not so great, so when I went about trying to fix it, it actually hit me. I have no idea where to start. So I did the one thing indie devs are known for. I thanked the past version of myself for employing version control. God bless version control. And then I used it frequently enough to create stages, so I had a stage just before I implemented the building system. So what did I do? I scrapped the build mode and reverted all of those changes. It caused a few issues, many issues, with how Godot tends to keep references, but I managed to clean those up, fixed what needed to be fixed, and started planning out the entire build-related system and figuring out how to avoid any other weird bugs or issues. To be honest with you, this whole video is about me saying 3 things. You can learn everything you need to develop what you want to. It just takes some time and energy. I am working on a primary project I plan on bringing to the channel in a devlog style format, and finally, I'll be bringing 3D tutorials to the channel too. That being said, we won't be abandoning the 2D videos. They'll be coming back in the form of a full playlist on YouTube on how to create your first 2D platformer from start to finish. So from nothing to exporting your final build. Now, if that sounds exciting to you, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads. And as always, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.